Good morning, everybody. Robert Robinson Roofing. Hope you are doing well. We're here in Kernersville. We are doing a nice new roof tear-off. Good amount of damaged wood on this roof. Something you always want to consider before you go ahead and do a new roof is your roof decking. We will always do our best to inspect your roof decking prior to giving you a quote. But sometimes, as I like to say, as you peel back the onion, certain things are revealed. So you can't always tell 100% the quality of the roof decking, but we do our best. Sometimes you can get in the attic and check that out, but you definitely want to replace any bad wood, rotten wood, soft wood, cracked wood, anything of that nature before you put down your new paper and put down your new shingles. So here you can see a perfect example of what I mean. This house we knew ahead of time had sagging trusses. You could see that very obviously before we started the roof. So what we did was we accounted for sistering in a good amount of wood to those existing trusses, which you can see pretty well there. We'll show you another angle. But what you want to do is run a chalk line, which you can see going across there. Get yourself a nice true plumb line again, and then go ahead and sister in some wood to the existing trusses so you can create a nice straight level roof decking system again before going back down with the new plywood. All right, and here you can see that once we've sistered in the trusses and laid down the new plywood, you get a nice level, even decking system again. Last thing you want to do is go putting down new shingles and invest in a new roof and have big sags or dips in your roof. This particular client actually mentioned that none of her other estimates address this issue, so it's something that we always want to address when we're doing your roof. No good. Check out this softwood. The untrained eye may look like it's fine, but it's definitely soft and nothing that you want to leave on this roof before you go sealing it back up with the 30-year shingle. So we're going to make sure that all this decking is in really good condition, and the stuff that's not gets replaced with this right here. What a difference, huh? It's a beautiful day for roofing. See here, this was definitely some flashing that was leaking. So something to keep in mind is when you're getting your roofing estimate, has your roofer accounted for flashing, right? If you're having a 20 or 30-year-old roof replaced, you definitely want to take into consideration replacing all the flashing. Good chance that it has failed over time. And as you can see here, a perfect example. There may have even been a repair done here sometime with some caulking to try to seal that up, but definitely something that you want to consider and make sure that you considered when you're getting your estimate are all of your roof penetrations, like pipe boots, vents, and things of that nature being replaced, and is your flashing being replaced. So anywhere where there's a wall or a chimney, you definitely want to replace the flashing, especially if you're putting the investment into another roof that you hope to last you another 20, 30 years. We don't want this to be a fail point. So you can see what's happened here over time, and we will be tearing out all of this wood around the chimney, replacing it, and then replacing the flashing. Bye-bye, bad wood. All right, and now our favorite part of the job, the finished and final product. You can see that nice flat roof decking. Let these Certainteed landmark shingles lay down nice and flat. The color here is moire black. You can see some nice different variations of black in that shingle. Nice, deep, good looking shingle. And there you can see the work that we did to the flashing on the chimney. Here's a good look at the complete roof. You can see the new vents in the back there, as well as the pipe boots. And we are very pleased with the way this roof turned out. What pleases us even more is that our client was happy, because at the end of the day, that's what matters most to us. We take a lot of pride in our attention to detail and our craftsmanship. And if you have some roofing needs, Robinson Roofing would love to see how we may be of service to you. There you can see the garage that we also did in the background. And that about wraps up this project. Special thanks to our clients for putting their trust in us. Everybody take good care. Bye-bye.